going on, YouTube? It's your boy Scatpack Q, and I'm back with another video. Hold on. What you feeling though? I said it's your boy Scatpack Q, and I'm back with another video. Hey, look, check this out, man. Look, y'all already know what I'm doing. By the time of this video, I'm getting my new tires and my new rims on. I got 2 rims right there, and I got my homie right there. My homies, both of them in the truck right there. They got my 4 tires and 2 rims in the back right there, man. So I'm getting the Hellcat replicas on my Scatpack 392. Y'all already know what the deal's on. Time to get these stock babies off, man. Shoot, I just got off work, man. Woo! Your boy tired, man. Man, how y'all feeling, man? Hey, man, y'all ain't come here to see me talking. I already know, man. Y'all came to see the new tires on rim. Tires with rim. But we gonna get to it. We gonna get right to it, man. So let's go. Man, yeah, man. It's time to put these stock wheels up. Stock wheels up. You know what I'm saying? And I'ma get spacers on too, guys. 2-inch spacers. Yeah, 2-inch spacers, dog. That's what I'm rocking with. Yeah, 2 inches. I'm rocking with. Well, right now I got 245 stock all around. I'm getting 275s in the front and 305s in the back. So that's what I'm about to do. Still 20-inch rims, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. We're gonna see how that jump look. How y'all doing? How y'all doing, man? I'm trying to get some loyal subscribers, man. For real, man. I'm trying to do this YouTube stuff, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know y'all watching this video for wheels, but hey, man, turn on those post notifications, man. I might upload something that y'all might also want to see in the future. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tell me what y'all want to see, bro. Sure. I'm for the people. If I was president, man, I'm telling you. What y'all want? I'm crazy, bro. Oh, if you brand new, yes, I'm in the military, y'all. I'm stationed here in Hawaii, bro. I've been here since the end of 2019. Y'all like that sound? Y'all hear that? Let me. Woo! It's time for everyone that got off work and stuff. Y'all know, man. Everybody can get off work at the same time. Look over there. Yeah, bro. Clouds. Is it gonna rain? This weather here in Hawaii is something else, bro. It rained for like 5 minutes, stop. Rain for like 5 minutes and stop. My boy, I'm over here following him in a red truck. But y'all hate when y'all follow someone? I don't even know where we going. Hold on. Like, I'm gonna get over. Don't play. I'm gonna get over. Straight like that. It would be nice if this. I can't see what it look like over there. Okay. My boy's still in front of this truck. It is what it is, bro. Shit. We finna get these new rims and these new tires on the wheel. Yes, Sirski. Oh, there you go. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, it look like we're going to Honolulu. still watching this video, y'all real one. No cap. No back cap. You dig?
Traffic over there. I be playing, bro. I ain't got enough gas to be playing. Red so nice as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Hey y'all, I just got back home, so I did not get the wheels on tonight because when we arrived, they was closing. So what they did was they said they'll hold on to my tires and rims until tomorrow. So tomorrow, we gonna get it done. I'm gonna pick up this video, y'all. So, but let me show y'all what my stock rims look like right now. This is what my stock wheels is. This is what the stock looks like, y'all. So we will not see this tomorrow. I see this tomorrow. Alright. Might go ahead and end this video right here and pick up tomorrow. What's going on, y'all, man? Look, man, I got my new tires on now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I got off work. My boy Tool picked me up from work. Got the tires. I'm riding with them right now, y'all. It jump smooth, man. It's smooth.
smooth. I got the 305s in the back. You feel me? The 275s in the front. They look nice, man. They look nice, man. Like, for real, man. I think y'all gonna like them when I show y'all, man. I'm on my way home. As soon as I get home, bro, I'm gonna show y'all. This is what y'all here for, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, I got the Hellcat replicas on. Hellcat replicas on. So anyway, let's get it, man. I couldn't get these tires on yesterday, but I got them on today. We dropped them off yesterday. I told y'all. But anyway, man, let me get done talking, man. I'm about to show y'all what's up. As soon as I get parked, I'm showing y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, here they go. Here they go. $305, $35, $20s in the back. $275, $20 in the front. Still got a little bit, I see. Looking at this view. I ain't got the spacers on yet. But yeah. So what y'all think? What y'all think, man? I like them. Like, y'all. It's your boy Scatpack Q. Y'all, if y'all haven't already, hit me with that like and subscribe to the video. You already know what's going on. So, yo, I'm out. Let's get it, man.